guys, I have received my 70 my DVR desk cam from this is US version. So we will be doing the unboxing of this. Okay. So we are opening. So it is a simple black box. So you can see this is 70 my. This plain box, nothing is written. This is the manual side. There is a simple packing, no odd and fast packing. This is the 70 my. So you can see this small box. So I will show you the what is written on the back of it. Not visible clearly. So this is simple box with a this is the electrostatic sticker that we can paste on our windshield. This is simple sticker. This is the English version of English user manual for US version. And this is the main unit. This is a main unit. It has got the sticky pad that will stick the. This is the 2 megapixel Sony lens for the full HD video recording. This is the power button. This is here is a slot for micro SD and USB charging. I think these are speakers that will give output sound. So let's start by pressing this power button.
70 my boots up. Please activate the device by connecting to your cell phone.
So you heard the instructions, how to operate it, how to use it. So it is on now. So it is saying. So we can remove the sticker. There is a sticker on this lens. Okay, we will do it later. So first we will see what's more in the box. Charging long enough charging cable, I think around 3 meters. So this is a normal USB point. This will go here for charging this device. Okay. So this is a rubber band. See anything more? Okay, this is one more box. This is the sleek, just two finger. This is a small cigarette light sizer in which we will put our USB cable for using it. We will be plugging in our car. Okay guys, so this is the all the accessories things we have got in the box. So we will put the things away. So now we will do the connecting. We will connect it with our smartphone. So we will do that in second video later.